Design. Interactive liquid footer, just divs, using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You find the source code in my CodePen. Welcome to IndiaMoon channel.
Here we have
friends.
an interactive liquid that is literally just a bunch of divs. Add a div to contain some bubbles, give it a size of 100% and attach it to the bottom of the screen. Hide the overflow and remove the mouse events. Add a bubble div inside the wrapper, give it a size, background color, make it round, and position it absolutely so we can set its top position to 100%. Create a new animation that moves the bubble up 20% and then back down. Set the duration and timing function and set it on repeat so we can watch it happen. Now we need a function to create some more bubbles. Pass in a position, create a div, set its class name, and set its position. Select the bubble wrapper, append the bubble that we just created, and after 2 seconds, remove it. Add a listener to check for mouse movements, and call the animate bubble function, passing in the mouse's current X position. Remove the original bubble, change the color to whatever you want, or if you're feeling extra crazy,